I purchased this microwave. It's a small microwave. I got it from Walmart. It is it has a LED clock as well as a digital LED display. It has 6 automatic cooking functions and 10 power levels. This is a very small microwave. It's a 7.0 Proctor Sector, and it has a dimension of 17.56. It weighs only about 20, maybe 21 pounds. It's the cheapest microwave I found that was 700 watts. Like I said, this is a very small microwave. It's black. It does come with a turn table. It has a child safety lock, which can lock children out when they're trying to open up the door for safety. There's the removable glass turntable. It comes with instructions on quick cooking settings. And there it is. It's got 6 preset menu buttons, 10 power levels to heat and defrost.